guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm actually currently on holiday right now, so you'll probably hear a lot of people and see some people in the background, but I got some animals in here. We got some bird and some animals. We got animals here. Look at this sheep. So yeah, basically there's a bunch of animals here, and we are just going to be feeding them today. So we got them food here. Let's just open that up and already some of it's gone on the floor. Okay, great. Oh wow, these guys they're hungry. This is good content, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, they got some sheep here. These dudes. He's gonna eat the ice. Chill out. Okay, so got some more food for you. There you go. Yeah, look at them. The sheepies. Right. This is what the food sort of looks like. It's like these little things. Right here, and they like it. See, they'll eat it. So yeah. That's the food for like the mammals, and oh my gosh, guys, I'm just gonna have to stay with some sheep for a minute because my bag is just completely split. And you guys are just gonna have to stare at the grass for me while I chuck this. Oh my god. Because this bag is just completely split. So let me just chuck some food. But yeah, and they do also have a goose. They have two geese. The other one is over there. But yeah, let's just get this, and then I'll put this animal food. I'll just carry it. And yeah, let's move on. I think there's some animal food on the floor, but yeah. Okay, so here we got some sheep. And we got some ducks, some more sheep over there. And we got some geese. There's a goose right there. And so let me just try and hopefully the sheep won't start eating my iPad. Oh, look at them. You can literally just like hang. I'll give them some more food right here. Give them some food. And then literally just just pet them. Just look at them. Oh my. Look at them. They're so fluffy. So anyway, let's put them years long. So up here, sheep are gonna follow me because they think I've got a year's supply of food. We got some ducks here, a goose over there, some more ducks just chilling there. And then we got this little bird cage, and the birds are just swarming because they've obviously just been given food. There's some turkeys in there, some guinea fowl, some hens, all of it. They're just swarming because they've obviously just been fed. So yeah, there's the sheep again over there. Yeah, I'll probably see some people in the background. Yeah, and then in here, they've actually got a peacock. Look in there, and they've got some more hens. There's a rooster there, and then right at the back over there, there's a peafowl. There's the peacock. There's the peafowl. There's the chickens. I think that's some chicken. Oh, I've got food. Let me just open this one. Feed them a little bit. Oh my gosh. can't really get the best camera angle while feeding them, but yeah, that's them. Alright. Oh, look, the peacocks come say hello. Hello, bro. Alright, and then in this one, even more cool, they have white peacocks and peafowls. As you can see, there's a white peacock up there. Got some more hens. And then they got some white peafowl. They got 4 sheep, and then it will venture on because there's more animals here. And then, we got some more sheep over here. And then we have, hello dudes. And then over here, got some ponies. You might see in the background, there's some horses. But yeah, let's feed these ponies up. So yeah, let's get some more of our food and then just eat, ponies. Have some food. And yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna move on a little bit faster because it's quite a walk. And yeah, I have to leave soon, so they could just be waiting for me back at my tent, just ready to leave. And then anyway, this guy was here because we came here last year. He's just in this cage, just chilling on his own. I don't know why, but he's just on his own in his little cage. I don't know why that is, but yeah, he's just on his own. I'm probably gonna actually run out of food because there's also some donkeys, some goats and some pigs. But of course, as I just said, the bag's split over there. You got the goats. They're coming. Might not be able to feed the pigs. Yeah, these guys. Hey, look at them. They are hungry. Well, let's just chuck a little bit of food in there. I'll just empty it because, sorry, the pigs won't get any, but I'll just empty the whole thing. Alright. Sorry guys, but you don't eat the bird food. So I can't give you any. Your mates have got some though. Look at them, like, food! Anyway, the last animals here, look, we want food, are the pigs, which I'm sorry dudes, the farm owners will have to feed you because I've run out of food. Yeah, we also got the pigs here. Look at your piggies. Yeah, and for some reason, I'll show you a little bit of the pigs. But for some reason, there's just this lone sheep all the way out in this field. Like on the whole other side of the field, there's just a lone sheep. I don't know if you can see him. Look, he's coming here because he's like, because all his brothers and sisters are just chilling in the field down there. He gets no love, just out here. So I'm sorry I don't have any food, bro, but oh my gosh, he's so fluffy. But yeah, I don't know why they don't feed you, because you're gorgeous. Look at you. Yeah. So that'll be it for this video, because it's quite long. But make sure to like, subscribe. Oh my gosh! Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to become part of the Lima Troop. These animals are going savage. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. He says bye. He says bye. Bye, guys.